We good? We good. All right, let's go. You'll get this done, and I'll flash. Okay.
Planets.
Oh, right.
Chuck.
Oh, God damn it. All right. Okay, good. All right, all set.
Mask.
Now we're ready. Hey! We made it! Oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. Okay, so we're starting our model with the sun at the start of campus. 4 inches is our sun, 200,000 miles per inch. So let's go see the other planets. Mercury on this scale is 4 yards away. This little tiny ball is smaller, is just about as big as our moon, and is about 40 million miles from the sun. The next planet is Venus, and that on this scale is 8 yards away. Venus, even though it's a little bit further away from Mercury than the sun, is actually hotter because of a greenhouse effect on its surface. It's about the same size as the Earth. Now the Earth on this scale is 11 yards away, so come on over. You got the Earth, Moon, and you can see the Earth and Moon are separated by the appropriate distance. Earth to scale is just the size of a little bead. Next, we're going to go to the outer solar system, and that's when the scale and the distance between planets gets really, really big. So I'm going to start counting, and then we'll catch up at Jupiter. All right, so we're at 11. Oh, there's Mars first. Mars is at 17. Let's hit Mars, and then we'll hit the Jupiter. Right? I'm so excited about doing this in a pandemic, I can't tell you. Mars. Mars is our twin planet. It's a lot smaller. Right now it's populated entirely by robots, one of which landed a couple weeks ago. Mars was probably Earth-like a few billion years ago, had water on its surface, and now the big question is, what happened to that water, and is there life? Okay, we're here at 17 yards on this model. We can look back and see the spacing of the inner planets. Now let's go see the outer planets. We're at 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 4, 5, 6, 57. 57. 57 yards on this model brings us to Jupiter, a 500 million miles away from the Earth. Jupiter is more than 10 times the size of the Earth. It's about 1/10 the size of the sun, and you can see how far away it is from the inner solar system. Jupiter we'll talk about as a failed star, but we also know that there are thousands of Jupiters orbiting other stars. But this is just the beginning of the outer solar system. Our next planet, Saturn, lies way down College Ave. Let's go! So, we're at 57, 58, 9, 6, 2, 3, 4, 104 yards. "104 yards brings us to Saturn, 1 billion miles away. You can't even see our sun now. Saturn is about the same size as Jupiter. It's known for its rings, which are it's much larger than the planet itself in width, but in thickness is only a few meters thick. It's composed of billions and billions of snowballs and rocks, but mostly ice and water. Understanding Jupiter and Saturn is the key to understanding our solar system. We are not even halfway through our solar system, as amazing as it sounds. We got 2 other proper planets. We are not counting Pluto because screw that planet. It's not a planet. So we got Uranus and Neptune to go. We're at 104 yards. Let's keep going. We're right in front of Main Hall. Okay, 105, 106, 107, 208, 209. Holy cow! Get this in here. 209 yards from our sun that you can't even see anymore. Hope that person isn't messing with our sun. Get away from there. Uranus is a planet that's about 15 times the mass of the Earth, 5 times its size, and it's distinctly green in color because of a high amount of methane and ammonia in its atmosphere. So we're here near the edge of the solar system. We've got only one real planet left, and that's Neptune. Neptune is at 3 billion miles from the sun. Right now we are 2 billion miles from our sun. Remember, our Earth is only 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers from the sun. We got one last planet to go. We're at 209 yards on our model. 10, 11, 12. We made it! The outer solar system, the edge of the planetary system of our solar system. Neptune is a twin planet to Uranus. Has a little bit less ammonia in its atmosphere. That's why it looks bluish rather than greenish. And we're here at 3 billion miles from the sun, 30 times the distance roughly that the Earth is from the sun. Again, 5 times the size of the Earth, about 15 times the mass. And that's it. This is our 8th planet solar system, scaled so that every inch is 200,000 miles. If you look way back there, you can't even see our sun. It's just another star in the sky, even if you live at Neptune. Now, I left you back there, and I left all these signs out. So I'm gonna pick up my trash, pick up my stuff, and then race back to the classroom. So, and get back on Zoom. So you hang on, I'll be right back.